Okay, I just realized I took the last video with the camera the wrong way again, so we'll do another one. You have little hiccupies, huh? Little hiccupies? Little hiccupies? Any fun sounds you want to make for us? You don't have to. You could just lay there and everyone would think you were great anyway. Yeah. Hoppa. May. Hey, May. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Did we go to the store today? We went to Target? Did we go to Target? Yeah. And what did we get at Target? Groceries? And were you sleepy the whole time? You did a good job there. And were you wearing Nana's yellow hat? Yeah. Okay. Those are some pretty cute sounds. You did a good job. You did a good job, sweetie.